So what's included with this magnetic neck mount, phone mount, is pretty much the neck mount itself. You have a wipe and you have a magnetic ring if you want to attach it to your phone, as you can see, and a little lanyard piece. So you can put that on your phone to have more stability on your phone. That's optional. Everything that's included with this box besides the neck mount is optional. And that's pretty much what you get with this. You can see this is how much it weighs, about under 9 ounces. And here you can see on my neck, I have it mounted. It's pretty sturdy, assuming that the rubber piece that's behind is towards your chest. You want to make sure that it's pressed against your chest, or else it'll wiggle around a lot. So here is this neck mount in action. As you can see, this neck mount has my phone on this magnet centered down pretty much at this angle, maybe 45-degree angle. And I can do pretty much point of view shots. So let's say I want to show myself lifting weights. I can do this. And it's very stable, right? As long as I don't move, it's pretty stable. Now, if I shake around a lot, it is unstable, because this is pretty much only gonna work if you have that rubber piece of the mount, I guess, against your chest. So against my chest, this is what it looks like, but you can change the angle. So let's change the angle. I can go down even more. I can go up. I can go even higher. And it works really well. This is pretty much below my chin. So that's something I keep in mind. It's not a direct straight angle unless you're pointing it straight across chest level, but it works as intended.